to meet you.
Alright, chalo.
Where are you from?
Where are you going? We are going to Shillong.
Okay.
Wow, it's really beautiful.
It's been so long. Welcome to the vlog.
So hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. First of all, I want to wish you all Happy New Year, and then secondly, I just want to say sorry because like for some few days my like YouTube there like active because I was so busy with my schedule, and then my life to over busy like here I come with my bags and then everything ready with my friends to go to Shillong for the trip. So I hope you guys will like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you. So guys, these are my friends, and then we are going to Dawki Lake. Right now we are moving. We are moving from Guwahati. So I took this bag. It's quite heavy, and then a backpack on my back. It's 8 of us, so we'll be going right now. Wow! Bilal, where's the car? Where? Which one? Over there. Oh, there. Okay. Sure. Chalo. These are the cars which we are going to rent till Shillong. So they are all set up. See, in Guwahati we mostly see this kind of electric vehicles, and then I think these are very fuel efficient. I mean like eco-friendly. So right now we'll be moving. So I don't know which car I'm gonna go. Bine! Nama pon sana. Nama pon sana. Oh. Hi, Mr. Kasilo Shizo. What do you want to say?
I don't want to say anything.
Okay. Ade, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
It was the Mala president.
Hello.
Miss. How are you?
Welcome to my.
So, I think I'll be going from here. So guys, we just moved out now from Guwahati, and then we are on our on our way to on our way to Shillong. Dawki. It's Dawki. It's a very good place.
River.
Yeah. This will be our driver.
Yeah. I'll be your driver today.
Okay. Thank you so much for the driving. So, it's on the passenger princess one.
Hello.
Wait.
Yes. Side TV, and then we'll show you guys from half to half how the view is. So keep watching. Oh. Hello bro, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, chalo.
Where are you from?
Where are you going? We are going to Shillong.
Okay.
We're from Nagaland. Okay, safe journey. Okay, sure. So we are now filling our tank. Woo! Voila, Sean Kingston. And then right now we just stopped by here for our lunch.
Hey, Mama. Hey, I'm Rin. Hey.
Okay, wow, special. What is this called?
Yummy, that's epic. Yeah.
Local eh? Okay.
Anda mie?
Chicken.
Chicken mie?
So he cut it.
Okay. She look very handsome.
What's the color here?
Handsome meat.
Okay, let me tell you. This is 20 rupees. This high one. This is 120. This is 10 rupees. And then this 30 rupees. This means
Oh, okay.
like. Okay, 2 chiplets and 2 packets. All packing, right?
Yes, yes, packing. Điều bữa điện. Leg piece mẹ. Leg piece bự này. Mấy gì vậy?
leg piece một đấy.
Bự sự.
Hi bên chỗ các piece.
Bự trọng.
Là wings tu tâm trí.
Ở đây 8 bit đã bao nhiêu này rồi xem này. Chú, bên này. 3, 2, 1, go. Pick up. Mang biển đi mà là. This is our off-roading car, and then we are about to reach Pepe waterfall.
Should we just go straight?
No, not there. Here. Our driver is in Josh, so
Excited?
yeah, he's very excited.
Okay, please watch the.
왜 구비해 있는 스노우?
Damn. Ooh, such a beauty.
Oh, I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys
Bro.
the view. Wow, see.
1,000 times better than Cherrapunji.
No,
What's up with it? No, Cherrapunji. Right.
it's very shaky. So, on my way to waterfall. It's called Pepe waterfall. And this is the Shillong finest waterfall. Wait. See, as you guys can see, it's quite beautiful. Woo! So many people are visiting this place because it's a very beautiful place. Wow, the view is really beautiful. This is called Pepe waterfall. Pepe waterfall. So beautiful, crystal clear. Bro, ठंडा है क्या? हाँ. How cold is it? कितना? बहुत ठंडा है. Wow. Ay, बहुत blue को सकता. So just go. Marah.
Sleep to the bed.
So this is the place. This is called Pepe waterfall. And then you see the water is very clean. You can come and drink water from here. 지금 뭐야, 임나? 아? 오! So guys, as you all can see, I'm right here at the Pepe Lake. I mean Pepe waterfall. And then it's so beautiful, it's so mesmerizing. And then I'll show you the wider side of the video. Like this. Woo. हाय बहुत पूछना हो गया Returning back home. Ay, terus nalasnya sama mana? So, brother, let's keep moving. So we finally reached our camping site, our Dawki camping site, and then we are going to our own tent. That is for the toilet, and then so guys, it's dinner time, so I came here to eat my dinner just now. I think this will be the last video for tonight. So stay tuned and then wait for day 2 video.
Doing it naga, we have to eat by our own hand.
Yeah,
not by
yeah,
a spoon.
that is true.
I'm so sorry.
Extra rice.
Yeah.